Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I am so excited, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below. I am sharing with you guys my makeup routine. I've added a few new products and I'm so excited to be sharing it with you. But to add a little spin-off, I am going to be doing one of those videos where I have someone else do my voiceover and explain it to you, and I thought it'd be fun to have my fiance John do the voiceover. So we're getting a boy point of view on this. I thought it would be really fun. We did one of these, I want to say a summer or two ago, so I will insert a card. We can see how he does because I'm filming this before he films his voiceover. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like it, and definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and we're just gonna get right into this makeup tutorial.
Alright guys, hey, it's John here. So welcome to Kelly's makeup tutorial. We're going to be doing her makeup today. Got to start out with our classic trendy TikTok headband. It's nice and puffy. If you haven't gotten one of these yet, you have to. We're going to start out with our Radiance Perfector. So this is going to be just a nice base layer. It's going to get your skin nice and toned, and it's just going to kind of give you that glow before you even have to put the blush on. So you're just going to dab it lightly, blend it into your face. You just have to use your hand for this one. No blending brush required. And you can see it's already getting a little bit more of a glow to the skin, just so it kind of pops. Next up, we have to start with our foundation. We've got the Fit Me by Maybelline 120 Classic Ivory. Unscrew the lid on it and then pull out your little blending brush and dab just a little dot on top. Apply that gently across your face and just kind of prep the canvas, is what I like to say. We're painting a picture here today, and you just got to get the canvas ready to go and you're ready for the day. So once you apply your contour nice and around your face and kind of just get that nice base layer, get a little bit under the neckline as well, make sure you put the lid back on it because contour spills are no fun. We're going to pull out our concealer here and just go around and put it wherever you need to. Don't have to do too much or too little. Just apply it very lightly wherever you think you need it. Put it all around. Kind of make a little bit of almost warrior paint here. And then once we get it nice and applied, we're going to pull out our blending brush again and just kind of blend it around very smoothly and very softly. Again, just take care of your skin. Make sure that you do it nice and smooth. Oh, look at the diamond on that finger. That thing is big. And we're going to pull out, I believe, our contour here. I thought it was highlighted first, but I believe it is contour actually. And we're going to apply it on the face very gently. Just kind of do it in 6, I believe, little spots around your face. Oh, 8, I lied. Just kind of hit each of those important areas. That way you can bring out all your cheekbones and just make sure you have that glowy pop. You're gonna bring in your blending brush and then just slowly rub it in. Make sure that everything is popping. Get those cheekbones out and ready to go. And then as we apply it, it's very important, the next step, have to get your contour palette out. So we're going to pick whichever color you prefer and then just kind of lightly dab it on the cheeks. Again, we're just trying to draw out the cheekbones here. That's the real importance. The jawline and the cheekbones, we just need it to pop. Get up around the hairline too, just to make sure that everything's popping, and then powder your nose. And of course, my favorite part, the blush. Get a nice little streak across your cheekbone there. Again, we're just really trying to bring out the cheekbones today. That's the whole point of this makeup tutorial. And then once you get it on there, you bring out your blending brush again and dab it in and around. And make sure you keep it nice and applied. Make sure that your cheekbones are popping and that you've got the nice rosy red cheeks. Then we're gonna also add some highlight to that blush. Gonna add a little bit of sparkle from our contour palette. Add it around your nose and the top of your forehead. And then, of course, we have our instant fix here. We love our instant fix. That's my favorite thing in the world. Just kind of apply that again. Once we're getting around your cheekbones, a lot of cheekbone focus today. Gonna blend that in with your little blending brush. I think I've called everything a blending brush today, and I know they're all different. Small pro tip. Always wash your makeup brushes. I learned that one from TikTok, and Kelly and I tried it one day, and it was the most satisfying thing in the world. We've also got our Pixie Sparkle here. Gonna add a little bit around the nose just to give a little bit of pop. It's kind of like a drop shadow when you're designing it. If things have a drop shadow, it'll kind of pop a little bit more. So we're gonna add a little bit of sparkle because life doesn't sparkle unless you do, right? And then we're gonna screw it back up because, again, any makeup spills is never any fun. And we're gonna kind of just blend everything together. It all kind of merges together into one, just to make sure we have one coherent piece. And then we're gonna pull out our eyebrow spiker and spike up our eyebrows a little bit just so they're nice and straight and look really good. And we got our lipstick going here. And then Of course, we have our mascara, 150% waterproof, so it will not come off for like 8 days. And just get it nice and applied. Don't go too hard here. We don't want to poke each other in the eye. That'd be no fun. And magically, we're going to pop into the next eye. It's like magic. And last but not least, we can't forget our classic lip gloss. This is what brings everything together, what makes it pop. It's like the finishing touches, like when you put a cherry on the sundae. And voila, just like that, we are finished. Let's fluff out the hair a little bit, get that TikTok headband off, get ready to go for the day. And thank you guys for letting me hop in.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload. If you have any questions on the products I use, let me know in the comments down below. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. I'll answer any questions. If you have any video requests, let me know, because summer is coming up and I want to share some summer content that you guys want to see. And I will see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.